Hey collectors, here is a look at Wonder Woman from Fund Joy Toys, and I got this during the ToyCon event here in the Philippines 2023. The figure comes in a magnet flip cover box, and the first tray contains the figure, an extra head, some sets of extra hands, the shield, the lasso, and her sword, while the second tray has the base for the figure and the action figure holder. And here is Diana out of the plastic tray. She stands 7 inches tall and is fully posable like what SH Figure Arts released for the Wonder Woman 1984 film. And here is a look at the back part of the figure. Again, it echoes what SH Figure Arts has done for the 1984 film for the Wonder Woman figure. This figure can also hold a pose without any action figure support. But again, I would like to warn you guys that leaving her on this kind of action pose is really risky, and a little nudge and this figure would fall down. So I suggest you put on or use the base and the figure holder included to make sure that your figure is safe on your display. There is no bicep swivel. The only way to make the cross arm pose, which she does in the film, is to rotate the connection on the elbow. You can slightly tilt it sideways, but not that much as to make the full on guard pose she is doing. By swapping the hands, you can make her hold the accessories included, like the sword and the shield. And again, this figure can hold an action pose. But again, I am not suggesting you leaving her without any support because this figure might fall down with a little nudge. The hair is made of two parts. The first one is on her head, and the second one is the part which dangles besides her neck and at her back. And in some angles, she looks like Gal Gadot. As much as I like the default head, I could not say the same thing regarding her second head sculpt, which doesn't even look like the actress. Besides the Dark Knight Batman from the same company, the head sculpt of Diana is much bigger and wider. And although the body proportion is of the same width because of the head sculpt's largeness, Batman looks small besides her. And the same thing can be seen when she stands besides Kal-El or Superman. The only reason why Diana is almost as tall as Superman is because of the gaps that is made by the dumbbell joints on her ankle. If you can find a shorter dumbbell to replace that, then Diana would be much shorter. Another defect for the design of FunJoy toys is that the ankle has a gap. The connection between the leg and the foot has a very visible gap, which probably customizers can adjust by drilling a more deeper hole for the peg to be inserted in. A little more details with the paint would make this figure much better. And for size comparison, here she is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit and Superman from Justice League by Mafex. With Snoopy from The Great Pumpkin Toy Line by Playing Mantis, and Kid Krillin from SH Figure Arts Dragon Ball. With Thanos from the Infinity Saga box set 2-pack, and All Might from Revoltech My Hero Academia. With Steel Wheel from the Silverhawks, and Cobra Commander from G.I. Joe by Super 7. With the Mighty Battle Cat from Masters of the Universe Masterverse line by Mattel. And finally, with the other two members of the DC Universe Trinity, well, for my version, The Dark Knight Batman from Christopher Nolan, and Superman Man of Steel by Zack Snyder from Justice League. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.